Hello folks, welcome back to Cyberblocks. I am very much excited to launch this new series on full stack web development. Whether you are a complete beginner or have some experience with web development, this course is for you. If you are looking to build a career in the web development, you are at the right place. I'll teach you everything from the scratch, step by step. So don't worry if you have never written a single line of code as well. This course is designed to be beginner friendly yet comprehensive enough for the experienced learner to benefit as well. So our next question comes is who can join this course? This course is for the students who are pursuing their degree in it might be any degree, it might be BTech or any other degree, any degree. It doesn't matter you are from any other branches like you are from non-IT branches like mechanical or civil or EC, doesn't matter. Or even you are from BA like BA degree background, you can join this course. It is for non-IT professionals who are seeking to switch their career to the development side. And it is also for the IT professional, anyone who is looking to enhance their web development skills, they can also join this course. All you need to get started is a laptop and a stable internet connection and willingness to learn. Only these things are required. If you have all these three things, you are willing to spend your time to learn web development and you have a stable internet connection and a laptop, then you are good to go with this course. As this course is meant for the beginners, I'll be teaching the basics of the C language, then we'll go forward with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Then we'll move forward to the advanced web development topics like Angular, Node.js, Express, MongoDB, and even we will be teaching SQL. So you need not to worry about anything. If you are already familiar with certain topics, feel free to skip ahead, but consistency is the key to master these skills. You can learn at your own pace, like whenever you get your time, or you can skip some of the topic if you are already familiar with certain topics. As this course is for the complete beginners, I'll be teaching everything from the scratch. So let's build together something amazing. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.